Thermal expansion is a fundamental property of materials that describes how they change size or shape in response to temperature changes. This phenomenon occurs in all states of matter, solids, liquids, and gases. Solids, linear expansion. When a solid is heated, its length increases. This is known as linear expansion. The change in length is proportional to the original length, the temperature change, and the coefficient of linear expansion, alpha. Thermal volume expansion refers to the increase in volume of a substance when its temperature rises. Most substances expand when heated and contract when cooled. 1. Coefficient of volume expansion, a measure of how much a substance expands per unit change in temperature. 2. Formula, times V equals V0, where V is a change in volume, beta is the coefficient of volume expansion, V0 is initial volume. Liquids, volumetric expansion. Liquids expand volumetrically when heated, meaning their volume changes with temperature. The change in volume is proportional to the original volume, the temperature change, and the coefficient of volumetric expansion beta. Gases, ideal gas law. Gases follow the ideal gas law, which describes the relationship between pressure, volume, temperature, and the number of moles of gas. When a gas is heated, its volume expands if the pressure remains constant. This law is crucial in understanding gas behavior in various conditions. It helps predict how gases respond to changes in temperature, pressure, and volume. Examples: solids. Steel expands less than copper when heated due to its lower coefficient of linear expansion. Glass expands less than steel, which is why glass cookware can be prone to thermal shock. Liquids, water and mercury expand differently when heated, which is why they have different coefficients of volumetric expansion. In conclusion, thermal expansion is a fundamental property of materials that affects their size and shape in response to temperature changes. Understanding the different types of expansion and the coefficients that govern them is essential in various fields of science and engineering.